Okay, guys, good day to you. Today, I want to make snacks for my people around that has been disturbing me. Make snacks for me. Make snacks for me. So today, I took it upon myself and I decided to make the snacks. What snacks am I making? I'm making dry bofro, Ghana dry bofro, Ghana dry bofro. It is called donuts. I used to eat these snacks when I was growing up in the ghetto. I used to eat the snacks and I used to enjoy it a lot. So today I decided to make it for them so that they too they will try it. You can call it donuts. It is called donuts, but it is called dry bofo. So I've poured my already sieved flour. I sieved the flour into the tray. I've poured it into the pan. So I sprinkled a little baking soda. Then I will add my sugar. I will go in with my powder milk. I will add my egg. I might not be mentioning the ingredients the way I am adding it, but I'm just calling them for you so that you know the ingredients you can add to your flour. Like, it might not correspond with the way I'm adding it on the clip, but I will just call the ingredient out. I added my sugar, all what you need for this recipe, all the ingredients you need for this thing I want to produce is sugar, your flour, I sprinkled a little bit of baking soda. I added baking soda. I added sugar, milk powder. I added one egg because with the size I'm making is not much. I will add my yeast. I will add nutmeg powder. I have nutmeg powder. We had nutmeg powder. Then I will add a little margarine. Is what I have available. Is margarine I have. I don't have butter. Is margarine I have. So I will add margarine. If you have butter, you can add. If you have margarine available, you make use of what you have available. So after adding that, I had there is a banana I got from our farm, native banana. So I'm going to be mashing that in a bowl and I'll be adding the banana to it to have this natural sweetness and natural taste. Even though it's snacks, let it still have ingredients that when you consume, you'll still be happy that you are eating snacks that has quality ingredients. Some people will just use only flavor and bake. I don't understand. How will you use only flavor and bake and you expect to enjoy a healthy snack? I don't understand that. You just use only flavor, you put it in a flour, then you add sugar and you bake it. Although for those that are buying from people selling outside, I pity you what you are eating. Oh, you are really eating nonsense. But when you know all these small things, how to make them at home, you will not just go outside and you be buying rubbish snacks outside. Somebody is using only flavor and putting it inside flour and adding sugar and baking it for you. You buy and consume. Most of the reason why I put all these things on I upload all this my baking process and my cooking process because most of the time it's not everything that somebody know. Sometimes you watch this clip, you use it to learn these things, sharp things you can do at home, that you will not be going outside to be buying nonsense and be consuming nonsense. Is when you eat the nonsense, at the end of the day you start seeing the effect of that nonsense you consume. It will start surfacing on your body. You now start feeling sick. You saying what is going on. When you are not careful about what you consume, what you put into the system, why won't you be having a funny feeling? So this clip that I'm always uploading is for educational purpose. I'm not a mumu that I'm always uploading this clip for people to learn. You know, people they don't like free. When you share your ideas free, they don't like it. They value African people. They don't value free things. They value something that they sweat to get, what they pay for to get. But when you put free things for them to be learning that will add value to their life, they don't value. You people should not worry. Very soon, God will take me to that place that before people will get ideas, knowledge from me that I'm sharing now for free. You will pay for it, so then you will start valuing it. So have a wonderful day. I'm going to cover it and finish mixing it. I'm going to cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will roll it and cut them into ball sizes that we used to fry. After cutting them into ball sizes, the size I want to use to fry, I will cover it with a warm cloth, put them in a tray, cover it, keep it in a warm place for it to rise for the minimum at least 1 hour before I'll start frying. Take good care of yourself, my lovers. Bye.